you are going to get $25 when you sign up on this platform. Okay, so if you are looking for a way that you can receive money from international clients from United States, United Kingdom, or any country that is using USD, EUR, GBP, then this is the video right for you. Okay, so if you are working on freelancing platform like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, and other freelancing platform, then this is the method that you can use to accept payment from your international client. If you're also selling stuff on eBay, Walmart, Wayfair, and other platforms, then you are going to use this method to receive your payments. Okay, so if you are a marketer and you are using Taboola is like Google AdSense, and you are using Taboola or you are using Google, Trade Doubler, any of these platforms, then this is the video that you need to watch to be able to start receiving payment from international clients worldwide. Okay, so right inside this video, I want you to stick with me as I show you step by step how you can complete this registration process and how you can start accepting payments right from your home country. Okay, so it doesn't matter what country you are coming from, Nigeria, Kenya, any West African country, any European country, any country you are coming from right now, you can use this method to accept payment from anywhere around the world. Okay, so when you are being paid into USD accounts, you are going to see your balance here, and if you receive euro, you are going to receive your balance here, and if you receive pound sterling, then you are going to see your balance here. Okay, so if you come to other business network, then you can see the company that the business application that you can apply to. Okay, so these are some of the platforms that you can apply to: AutoDS, Amazon, Linkwork, Awesome, DHL. All of these platforms, there are a lot of them: QuickBooks, Fita, Ashanto. All these platforms, you can use them to receive payments. Okay, so this is Payoneer. Okay, so and if you want to see the company you are currently working on, you can easily click on this. Okay, so once you click on that, you are going to see the list of companies that you've connected to your Payoneer account. Another beautiful thing that you can use or you can do with Payoneer accounts is that you can request for a physical card that you can use for online transaction. Okay, so bank accounts for withdrawal, receiving a Payoneer card. Okay, so if you click on this, you are going to see the information. It says manage or order Payoneer card used to make business purchase or at ATM or for shopping anywhere. MasterCard is accepted. Okay, you can also do this receiving accounts. Okay, so these are the accounts that you use to get paid on marketplaces like Fiverr, Upwork, and all of those platforms that I've mentioned earlier. Okay, another thing you can do is that you can set your bank withdrawal account. Okay, so if you are coming from a country like Nigeria, Kenya, any West African country, European country, what you just need to do is to set up your Payoneer account, then connect your local bank account to it. Okay, so once you click on that, you are going to see that you can easily connect your bank account to it. Okay, so this is one of my information. Okay, so I'm going to click this, then you see now that this is United Bank for Africa. So this is UBA and this is Naira card. Okay, so once I receive payment, I can easily withdraw money into this bank account. Okay, so I'm showing you this so that you know that this is doable and is working. Okay, so right now I'm going to show you how we can easily do this. So first thing, I'm going to sign out first. Then I will go back. At the description of this video, you are going to see a link that you can use to easily sign up into Payoneer. And when you sign up with this link, you are going to get $25 for free. Okay, if you come right here now, you are going to see that link at the description of this video. Okay, so once you get that link, it will bring you to the registration page. Then you are going to provide the right information. Okay, so this is where people do mistake when setting up the Payoneer account. Okay, so most people don't set up their Payoneer account in the right way. Okay, so when you want to use this for online marketplaces, Fiverr, eBay, Google AdSense, all of those, what you need to do right now is for you to click on freelancer or SMB. Okay, if you click on individual, it's going to class you as different group of person. Okay, so I'm going to click on freelancer, get paid by international clients of freelance marketplace. Okay, when you do that, then you are going to look at this place. You are going to see this register button. The register button will bring you to this page where you are going to provide your information. Make sure that the information you are providing at this stage are the same information that you have on your country bank accounts. Okay, so if you are coming from country like Ghana, then make sure you provide all the information on your bank account. Okay, so once you put in your first name, okay, then you put in your email address. Then you put in that email address one more time. Then you put your date of birth. Okay, so you click on this, then you click on this. Okay, so once you fill the first information, then you are going to click on I'm not a robot. Click on that. When you select or do the captcha, you pass the captcha test, then you click verify. Once you do that and the checkbox has been ticked, click on next. Okay, so it's still loading right now. Let's wait for it to load up. Okay, so in this registration process, we are going to go through 4 steps, and this is the 4 steps in this registration process. Okay, so it's still loading now. Let's just wait for it to finish loading. I don't know why it's slowed down like this. Maybe because I've opened the page down for long. Right now, this is the second phase. We fill in the first information. Okay, so I'm going to fill in then you have to provide your state postal code. Okay, so you can just search for your postal code, because 90010. Okay. Then you have to provide your phone number. Okay, so at this stage you have to provide your phone number. Okay, so I'm going to provide my phone number, then I will come back to continue this process. Okay, after putting the phone number, then putting in the verification code, then you can now start putting your password. Okay, so this is going to be your login password. Okay, then you can put in your security questions. Then you can now select your ID type. Okay, so I'm going to select Nigeria here. Then I'm going to select the type of ID that I want to use, national ID card. So once you put this ID number, then you can now click on next. Okay. Then after providing your ID card information, that's either your passport, your driver license, your national identification number, then it will bring you to this page where you can now select the country where your bank account, like your local bank account, okay? Now you are receiving payments from international clients, from Fiverr, Upwork, eBay, all these e-commerce platform, affiliates stuff that you are doing. Then you are going to select the country, then the currency that you want to receive. Okay, so we also have the USD account. If you are coming from Nigeria, we also have the Euro account. We also have the normal NGN account. But if you are coming from Ghana, then you want to look for Ghana and select your country information. Okay, so if I select Ghana here, you will see that I can select Ghana cities. Okay, but I'm going to put Nigeria here. Okay, then I'm going to put Naira. Then I'm going to put the bank name, which is okay. So my session has timeout. I'm going to put in the bank name, United Bank for Africa, that's UBA, or if you are using First Bank of Nigeria, then you put in your account number. Once you put in your account number, then you click on I agree to the term and condition, then I agree to this. So you have to agree onto this. Okay, so let's see. Okay, then once you put in the account information, then you just click on submit. Okay, so once you click submit, then you can now proceed to start receiving payments. Okay, you can now proceed to start receiving payments. So right now, I want to believe that you've completed the registration process and you want to sign in into your account right now. Okay, so I'm going to log in and show you how you can also log in. Okay, so once you come to the login page, just do all the check, then click on sign in. So once you click sign in, you are going to receive OTP to your phone. Okay, so because I've logged in on this device before, so I don't need OTP to log in again. Okay. So now if you want to if you have balance here and you want to withdraw it, you just come here. Once you click on withdraw, then it will ask you which of the currency do you want to withdraw. I want to withdraw from the Payoneer USD account to my Nigeria account. So I've named it Nigeria account. Then how much do you want to withdraw? Because there's no balance in this Payoneer right now, I can't do any conversion. Okay, so if you want to withdraw $100, then it's going to show you the equivalent that you are going to get in your Nigeria bank account. Okay, then once you click on review, then the payment will be sent directly to your Naira account. Okay, so I believe this video is very useful for you. If you find this video very useful, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to turn on the post notification, and don't forget to drop at the comment section If you have any video that you want me to make on this channel so that I can add it to the list of my video. Till then, I will see you in my next. Peace.